Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a simple craft to make today. I'm using these heart-shaped dies from either KS Craft or, KLJYP store. I don't know. I picked it up from Amazon, and this one, I've had it in my stash for years. And I just use this second largest heart, and I cut this out of cardboard. It's a little stiffer than cereal board, than the cereal box. So I die cut two for now, and if this is cute enough, I will make the other colors. But this is what I've got right now. I'm going to take my yarn, and you all have seen this. It's a very easy, very, very easy project. Now you can see the backside is a little messy, and it didn't really finish cutting off the details. I don't need it for the details. All I need it for is the shape of a heart. And I'm just going to secure this down real quick. Oh, guess I'll use some clear tape. It doesn't matter. Just have the loose end or your tail secure just to get it started. Or not. You don't have to. But I'm just going to make one of those plushy hearts that we all see everywhere in the stores for crazy dollars, and we're all willing to pay for it, right? So I'm just going to take my yarn and wrap it around all crazy. There is no pattern to wrapping this. You just go for it and get it all filled up. And this is a really easy project, guys. And I'm making use of those little scallop dents on the heart. I'm trying to catch the yarn, and it's working out pretty good. It's not necessary, but it seems to be helping with the wrapping. And I don't have a specific number of wraps. I just want to get the cardboard covered up and hidden. I don't want to see the cardboard. Now you'll notice that the center of the heart is going to get very rounded, very full, because everything crosses in the middle, right? So don't worry about it. It's going to be all nice and fluffy. You just want to take your time and cover up as much of the cardboard. I don't want to see any of that. And the reason I wanted a stiffer cardboard is so that when I'm wrapping and I get this all nice and tight and I'm pulling on the card, the tension won't cause the card to bend. It's nice and stiff. Now you could also use your heart-shaped wood ornaments from Dollar Tree and just wrap up the wood ornament. That's even better, because then you don't have to die cut anything. But I just remembered that now, and after I started the video. So yeah, I'm making these for the swap I'm participating in. And it doesn't have to be anything specific, you guys. It's just fill your Valentine bag, tote bag up. Valentine theme projects. And it doesn't have to be so difficult. All right. So I'm just going to go around and every which way just to get the card all covered up. I'm probably going to speed this up a little, because this is a little boring to watch somebody wrap a piece of cardboard. It's also a great way to use up our trims, our stash. very easy. That's another reason why I want to keep pulling on this tight, because the yarn will slip and you don't want any of your yarn to be loose. At this point, you could use hot glue if you remember to turn it on. Eileen. And I'm just going to come back and put hot glue there once I get my glue gun warmed up. I'm going to cover that with the hot glue. This is so easy. It's nice and fluffy. And the more we wrap it, the more chunkier the heart will get. So yeah, just go around, take your time. I like it to be all over the place. Just keep rotating it, and everything will most likely get covered up. I think I'm happy with this. I mean, I might as well use up the rest of this yarn. If you missed an earlier video, I had added this beautiful yarn to a jelly tote. And it's not a jelly tote, it's a die. The gingerbread jelly tote die from Kia's Crafts. If I can remember to put the link on there, I will. And so you have the end of your yarn. I think I will just tuck it in all up under there. Ooh, there we go. Go right in. Perfect. You cannot even see it. And I don't have to put hot glue. Or maybe I will. Maybe I will. You don't want to pull any of your yarn too much, because if you pull something and then it gets loose, you know, don't want to do that. Oh, this is so cute. So perfect. I think I will just go ahead and add a dab of hot glue in there once it's ready, just to keep this from coming apart. So that one's done. Cute. And guess what? I'm going to bag it up and put it in here in one of the jelly totes. And probably with the 3 other colors to add with it. Who knows? Oh, that's what I need. Okay, I just need to wait. Be patient, Eileen, since you'd never turned it on. Okay, I have more of the pink yarn if you're wondering, because I have to make 2 totes, you know, get going with that. So the next one, I think I will cut a few more. I'll probably do this one off camera. How many colors? 1, 2, 3. That's already 6. Yeah, I'll do that off camera and cut 6 more of these cardboard hearts, just so they're the same size. Man, I love this. It's super soft also. And so, yeah. Get this all nice and floofy. If you like a good floofy heart. And I think it'll be a great addition to if somebody had a tiered tray. That'd be super cute too. All right. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Okay, guys. I finished wrapping all my hearts, and I just didn't do the white. So I have pink. I got the pink and the blue. it looks more intense on camera than it is in person. So we have the pink and the blue and the yellow and the purple. Oh, I love it. So what I'm going to figure out is how I want to decorate them. And then I'm going to bag them up and put them, you know, in our little tote, jelly tote. So one set for each tote. And I will say this, the die that I used with the scallops came in handy for wrapping. It kind of holds the yarn in place until you build up another level. And it just, I don't know, I think it helped a lot. If you didn't have these scallops, I think it would be slipping. The yarn would be slipping and you'd be messing with it even longer. So I would say if you have it, if you do this project, I say use a scalloped heart-shaped die and cut out your cardboard. Let me just show you. This is the cardboard that I used. And this came from some packaging. I don't even remember what packaging, but it was so sturdy. I was very impressed with how firm it was. And, you know, it wasn't easy to crush like a regular mailing cardboard box. But yeah, I hope whoever receives my swap and Patty, I hope they enjoy these little conversation hearts is what I'm going to call it, because I want to put some paper die cuts on there. And I probably won't glue it because if they don't want the sentiment on there, I'll probably, it'll be able for them to just remove it and just have the simple hearts. I mean, you could take it to another level and add some trim. Let me just show you an example. Okay, I just received this trim. This is from Alicia. I messed it up trying to unravel. There we go. And just, you know, take your trim and go around the edge. I think that would really be an adorable little detail for this. And then you can also, you know, put some stick pins in. These little straight pins I got from Louisa. I just added the eraser, I think, on this one. Yeah. Let me show you another option that she had sent to me. And, you know, you could just stick your pins in there. I think that would be really cute. Just imagine it with the trim on that. I don't know what head pins that Louisa used, but look at her little beads and findings on there. Really pretty. I have it right here on my desk because they're so pretty, just like that. So isn't that cute? That'd be a cute way to package it up. But I don't know. I may or may not do that option. I know I do want the sentiment on there because I want it to look like conversation hearts, but that's what it would look like. Look at this on the yellow even. So yeah, comment down below. Should I add the trim on here to the conversation hearts? And let me know if, you know, you're enjoying this. I will bag these up, like I said, and hopefully I could fit it in my tote after making whatever else I want to make with this. And these are just the Dollar Tree yarn, guys. Piece of cardboard, your dies that we all have 10 million of, whatever size or shape you want to make, and just keep wrapping your yarn around the heart. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.